Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on the regular expression module in Python, which is a useful tool for many string processing tasks. The relevant module in Python is called RE or regular expressions. How this works is very simple. We specify the rules for the set of possible strings that we want to match, and then we ask questions. For example, is there a match for the pattern in this string? Um, in addition to simply performing searches against a static string, we can also use regular expressions to modify a string or split it apart in various ways. Uh, let's see how regular expressions perform the tasks of matching characters. Most letters and characters will simply match themselves. We can use some special sequences to efficiently write a pattern. For example, \w, lowercase, matches any alphanumeric character. This is equivalent to this class. Um, okay, so let's first explain what's happening here. The square brackets indicate a character class, meaning that it will match any character inside the square brackets. Hyphen indicate the range, that is, it will match any character, for example, A to Z lowercase, and then A to Z uppercase letters, and then 0 to 9 and decimal digits, and then the underscore. The opposite to this special sequence is \capital W, which has the following corresponding class. Um, so here, the caret symbol at the beginning indicates that it will match anything except this pattern. Okay. So similarly, there are other special sequences. For example, \D corresponds to matching any decimal digits, and \S for any white space characters. Um, so I previously mentioned that most letters and characters will simply match themselves. However, there are some exceptions, some meta characters that behave differently, as described before, and they can change the meaning of the regular expression, or can be used for other um, purposes. We can also specify that some portions of the regular expressions must be repeated as required, and there are different meta characters that we can use to achieve this. First meta character is asterisk. It does not match the literal character asterisk, but we can do so by using it in a character class or with a backslash. So in terms of repeating things, it means that the previous character will be matched 0 or more times. For example, if the pattern is A asterisk B, then it will be able to match a character B. It can match AB, AAB, AAAB, and so on. The next meta character is the plus symbol, which suggests that the previous character can be matched one or more times. So in the previous example, we have seen that A asterisk B will match a single character B. However, when we'll write it as A plus B, it won't be able to match the single character B. It can match AB and AAB and so on. Okay, so the next meta character is the question mark symbol, which indicates the previous character can be matched either 0 or ones. We can also use this curly braces notation, which indicates match at least m repetitions of the previous character and at most n. Uh, Regular expressions are often used to dissect strings by writing a regular expression divided into several subgroups which match different components of interest. Um, for that, we can use the parentheses to group together the expressions inside them. Groups are typically numbered starting with 0. Subgroups are numbered from left to right, from 1 and upward. Um, these groups can also be named using the syntax where Um, this name is the group's name, and that is desired group name, and the dot 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 in the syntax is replaced by a user specified pattern that we want to match. Pattern objects have different methods and attributes. Some of the key methods include match, which determines if the regular expressions matches at the beginning of the string. Search scans through a string and finds any location where the regular expression matches. Both match and search return only the first occurrence where the regular expression matches. Sometimes, however, we are interested in finding all matches in a string. Um, for that, we can use find all, which returns all substrings and return them as a list. Or we could use find iter, which returns an iterator. Um, so find all, the difference between find all and find iter is that find all only returns the matches, whereas find iter can also return the corresponding start and end positions of those matches. Regular expressions are also commonly used to modify strings in various ways using the following pattern methods. We can use the split method to split the string where the regular expression matches and the output can be returned as a list. Sub finds all substrings and replaces them with a new value. Sub n is very similar to sub. It also returns the number of replacements. Okay, so this was all I wanted to explain about the regular expressions in this video. Thank you all for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like this video. In the next part of this video, we will use regular expressions to solve different string processing tasks in a Jupyter Notebook environment. So see you all in the next video. Thank you.